How's it going? It's 220 Prepper, and I got a video today. So, I did some shopping on the store. You all know what store this is. It's a good spot for, hopefully not crap budget level stuff. So today, obviously we have an unboxing. Look and see what it is. This is the Vismix chest rig. Unboxing, first look, first review, etc., etc., etc. So let's take a look and see what we've got here. Okay. I thought I was going to have to adjust that, but maybe not. This does not seem very adjustable, though. Let's try it on, see what's up. Oh, yeah, I'm going to have to adjust this. Holy shit. That is not going to work. Alright, I'll adjusting here. Let's put it on here. Okay, the adjustments are not difficult. Nice and easy. Okay. Yep. There we go. This sits high. I was not expecting this to sit very high. This rifle. It might interfere. I don't know. We'll have to find out. So this sits higher than I was hoping. I might be able to adjust it lower. I'll let you know once I get a better look at it. Alright. So let's take a look and see what we have in here. Like I said, this is the Vismix chest rig. So here we've got two what looks like admin pouches. That's a lot of Velcro. Yeah, so we got two standard admin pouches. So let's get you a look on the inside. Oh, they're separated. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to see it. That little bit of movement right there. Yeah, so they're separated, so you can see that's elastic, and there's two of them on each side. Okay, so that'll definitely keep whatever you put in here secure, and it's the same for both sides. So both admin pouches up front have extra elastic in them for security or secure purposes. We've got one pistol. So we got a pistol pouch on the side, one on each side. This is not Velcro, so this is just adjustable retention, well, not retention, but that elastic band. Yeah, that's what we got. And then we have a triple mag pouch here in the back. So we got 1, 2, and 3. So 5 mags total. 2 pistol, 2 rifle, or 3 rifle. We have Velcro on the shoulders here. So, I guess you'll be able to, put a tourniquet pouch there, or, I mean, not necessarily a tourniquet, but just something Velcro. That's not Molly. You got Velcro on the back that sits above your shoulders, I guess hydration bladder or something like that. Maybe this company has an attachment for it or something there, I don't know. I mean, all in all, it's not bad. This was not expensive. This was $35. I bought it, and this was an overnight shipping. So it got to me earlier today, but obviously I have not opened it until I got the camera. So $35. I mean, this will get you what you need. Yeah, definitely will. Alright, I can't wait to get some other testing done in here, see how it works with my weapon systems, and hopefully this will be $35 well spent. In the meantime, like, comment, subscribe. This is 220 Prepper, and I am signing off.